likod.
Now moving into some combat tips. Hit them without worrying about getting hit. This is very useful when you have nothing but a level 1 zombies, and even then,
Tumakas na.
it's still useful to do this. You can also keep your hand blocked just to keep them held up for as long as you need.
Tara na, lugi tayo dyan.
Thank you.
Bakit sa talay?
You should also look to use this
Tao dito ah.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Marked a location.
Spear and bow. Both can be easily made and are your best weapon choice for keeping a distance when attacking.
Aray ko.
Arrows are not only very easy to make, but they are also reusable. Very often they will not break when they hit a zombie, allowing for you to... You see an idle zombie that is sleeping and is unaware. Shot with either a melee
Ay, ganun
or
natin. Dito
Gagi si
namin.
Panda.
ideally whichever one is quiet.
Si Panda pala yan.
You get a good speed damage boost, allowing you to often...
Ganun.
Ingatay si Panda. oh.
Dalawa yan, Ted. Dalawa yan.
Patay na, patay
Tuloy-tuloy
na.
lang.
Patay na, patay na. Dalawang nakamami. Ubus na.
Yabang mo
Yung
naman.
pati oh.
Sinasabi ko lang
Mayabang din ito eh.
Sinasabi ko lang naman ah. Patay na nga.
Dalawa nakamami.
Ayan oh.
Isa.
Oh, ito, nakamami. Isa.
Eh, shot ka sana dyan.
Mayabang to.
Ah, ito.
Ayun oh. Sige. 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 Sige, pak!
Ay, pwede pala yun.
Nakita nyo.
Okay lang, napatay ko yung dalawa mong kakampi. Sorry ka. Na-revenge ko
Mayabang.
sila.